Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the basics are correct. Confirm Windows updates and GPU drivers are up to date, because outdated drivers often trigger the Directx failure. Once done, close Fivem and any overlays like Discord or GeForce Experience. Overlays can conflict with Directx. Next, run Fivem as administrator so it can access system files. Make sure the Directx end-user runtime is installed to restore any missing DLLs. This prevents immediate runtime errors and sets up the environment for deeper fixes. Now you dig into diagnostics. Open Event Viewer to capture the exact Directx error and note the faulting module name so you know whether it's a driver, DLL, or GPU issue. Then repair or reinstall Directx redistributables and Visual C++ runtimes because corrupt runtimes are a common cause. These replacements fix missing or mismatched DLLs. After that, clear Fivem's cache and verify GTAV file integrity through your launcher or Steam. Corrupted game files often surface as finish by addressing driver-level causes. Roll back to a known stable GPU driver or perform a clean install using the to remove leftover files, because driver remnants can break Directx. Then disable mods, custom shaders, and any injectors and test Fivem on the vanilla game to isolate third-party conflicts. If the error persists, capture a crash dump, note timestamps, and test on a different user profile or machine to rule out system-specific issues. This troubleshooting tip lets you determine whether the problem is hardware, software, or configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.